Okay, right now I want to show you how to set up your online account, your student account. What you'll do to start is go into the WCC Gateway and click on NetID Management. Once you are in, we are going to set up your account, and you'll need to tell us your first name, and this is just an example. So you'll put your first name, you'll put your last name, you'll type your student number, everyone should have been emailed and mailed their own student number that begins with @00, and then your own 6-digit number after that. And then you need to tell us your birthday. And we're just using an example here. Then click Continue. And it will tell us that we need to set up our password. Now your password, as you can read, needs to be at least 12 characters long, have one uppercase and one lowercase number. And then we need to choose our security questions. So we'll choose, what city was your father born in? Detroit, we'll say. Now all these questions you're answering for you, what makes sense for your life. And these are just, once again, examples. What town have you vacationed or traveled the most? We'll say Chicago. And what is your mother's middle name? Sue. So by clicking Submit, you agree to the terms of service to set up the account. If you want to read the terms of service, you can click here. Once that is finished, it gives us our NetID here. So we can copy that number, make sure to write it down and save it for later. And then we will go back to the WCC homepage. And then we can go back to the gateway and go to your student dashboard. Now your student dashboard is here, and there are different features or buttons that you can click for accessing your student account. We have your My WCC box, which is where you can go to check your grades, to check your financial aid. We have the box for where you can click to register. The Blackboard is your online student account, where you will go to get information related to any coursework available online. You also have your student email, which is important to check every week if possible, if not every day. But for now, we want to go into the My WCC. So we will copy and paste the NetID that we just created. So this is the example. Your NetID should have a combination of your first and last name. And then we are going to type in our new password and click Login. So this should get us into our account. So right now you will see Applicant. If you click on Applicant, you have this tab because you are applying to the college. You have not yet been accepted. So if you go down and click on My Checklist, it's going to show you all of the things that you need to complete before you can be a student. So these are all the different steps to complete, and as you complete them, the status will go from pending to complete, and it will be in green. If you need to complete a Connect session or orientation, that will be here. For the summer, we are doing online orientations, and you can email me and I will give you those session dates. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot, and if you have any questions, you can email me and let me know.